How's it going, appetizers, and welcome back. We have another kitchen update for you. I can't really go in the kitchen at the moment because we've had the floor screeded. I did get done yesterday, but it's still a little bit damp to the touch, so we're letting it dry for today. And just there, we've had our tap fitted, if you can see it behind the window. No, we are getting there. And that's it for today's update. If you're liking the series so far, make sure you stick a thumbs up in there for me. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all videos coming to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.